Hi, this is Peggy Bloomfield, Associate Director of Accreditation and Technology at VAIS. Thank you for viewing this webinar to help you get your school's profile to look the way you want it to on the VAIS website. Before we get into managing your school's profile, let me introduce you to some of the elements of the website just very quickly. Each of these is a drop-down box which has a lot of VAIS information. The one that you will be most interested in is the VAIS schools, which has information for independent schools for families and also has a school search box. We can search for schools by name, the entire public. They can search by certain criteria, how far away in a zip code, gender, day, or boarding, and through a religious affiliation. If a school name is already known, you can search through the school name list, which is organized alphabetically. Information about accreditation. So when your school is ready for accreditation, any question you might have is right here on this tab. This is our programs and events. And registering for programs and events is going to be a little bit different now, but we hope the improvement makes it better for you. A career center, and then this is our resource center. When navigating through the website, if you ever want to get back to the front page, just click up here on the logo. These buttons talk about membership in VAIS, another link for families. This is a discussion board, which will take the place of our listservs, and these are our corporate sponsors. All of our upcoming programs and events are listed here, and every week or so we'll have a different featured story and a news feed. Now that you're oriented to the general overall look of the independent school, VAIS independent school website, let's just go look and see what a school looks like before anything has been done to enhance it. I'm going to pick on Alexandria Country Day School because they are first in the alphabetical list. So this is what people are seeing right now as they check on your school. We have areas for you to fill in, but it hasn't been done. Some information has been pulled through, but it hasn't been done. So today I'd like to talk to you all about how to get your website looking, your page on the website looking the way you want it to, and how to showcase those things that make your school unique. As the VAIS website coordinator, you've been given a login. Your login is your school's email address and the password, VAIS 2013, all lowercase, no spaces. So before you can make any changes, you're going to have to log in. I've logged in. I'm the website coordinator for the GIM.net test school. And you can see the first thing when you log in, it will bring you to your school, and your school's name should appear in green up here where it says GIM.net test school. Some information has been pulled through from the VAIS database, but I'd like you to check that and make sure it's accurate and go ahead and edit anything that you want to edit on this page. Your enrollment size may change from year to year, so that should be updated every year. You can, if you are one of our schools that has a different physical address than than post office box, please enter the mailing address in these blanks. Check that everything's correct. If you're a non-religious affiliated school, you'll want to highlight non-denominational school, and then you just leave the religious affiliation blank. If you are religiously aligned, religious denomination school, and then that which you're aligned with. Put the founding date in. Anything on this website that has a red asterisk asterisk is asking you to fill information in, or it will not accept all the information that you've put in. Finally, on this page, there's a place for you to upload your school logo. The way to do that is hit the Choose File button and navigate on your computer to where that logo is saved. I generally save it to my front page, to my desktop, so it's easy to find. And you can see it's been uploaded, but it doesn't show here until I hit the Save button. Please remember to hit the Save button. Through experience, I've learned how disheartening it is to work hard, build your page, and then navigate to another page without hitting Save, and you lose all your information. Here you can see the VAIS logo has been uploaded. Contacts is a page. We're going to skip this right now. I will do a webinar in a few days for the people who will be updating contacts for your school. Let's go right over to marketing preferences. You can see that there is very little on this page. This is where your great skills will come to great use. So when you edit this page, two HTML boxes open. An HTML box is very much like a Word document. You can enter text, pictures, hyperlinks on it. And let me just walk you through a quick way to do that. So I've saved some text that I picked up from the internet to make this demonstration easy. And it's not cooperating. Here we go. I'm going to cut, copy and paste right into this box the text. And this window comes up and says the content you're trying to paste has Microsoft Word formatting. Would you like to clean it? If you're given this choice, please say yes, because it strips the formatting of Microsoft Word and puts it in the font that this website uses. Now, I'd like to add a picture to this text, so I'm going to go to this small little image manager here and click on it, and another window opens up. I have the choice to go once again to my computer to navigate to where I might have a photo that I want to use, and once again I've saved it right on my desktop for ease. The size of the logo and the photo should be about between 40 to 70 pixels, maybe even up to 100 pixels with dimensions, kilobytes with dimensions of 200 to 300, 200 by 300 pixels. And I'm going to upload it. And here it is. And it shows right here. Here are the properties of what I've just uploaded. You can see it's 250 pixels by 265 pixels. And if I hit insert, it inserts into the HTML box. I can align it left, I can make it center aligned or right aligned. You all are the people who understand and know this much better than I, so I'm sure you can make this look better than I'm making it look. This information is school mission, philosophy, objectives, but I think that you can put anything that you want about your school in this HTML box. This is called School Fast Facts, and once again, I've saved a little something from the internet that I'm going to copy paste in there. I hope that this will also strip the formatting, because this formatting is large and too spaced out. Let me see if it will strip it. It says it's trying to strip it, but it hasn't stripped it. And what I'd like to do is put all of these in order, take away the spacing, and put it in the direct size. And sometimes you'll have to do this with your information. Sometimes it'll import very easily. Going to highlight it and make it smaller. Okay. Doesn't seem to want to change. Some of it changed. Okay, so we're going to learn about another piece of equipment up here in the toolbar called stripping all formatting, which I'll do. Now I should be able to change the font size. Yes. Okay, let's add a picture to this HTML box. Once again, I go to the image manager and I've uploaded several pictures. This is a picture of new student orientation. Check the properties. This one's 200 pixels by 133. Sounds like a good size. I see the preview, insert, and there it is. Once again, I can do a different alignment, which I will. Now, assuming someone's looking at this information about my school on the website and they're excited and they want to know who to contact right away, I have the ability to put a link in, first of all, to the school website and gim.net. And the text that will be highlighted will be school website or even the school name. And I'll say OK. You can see that it's in gold print and underlined, which is a sign to web browsers that this is a live link, and when clicked on will take you to the other website. Okay, we can also add an email. I'll put my email address in. And I want it to say, email me now. And I'll say, okay. These are now completed. Beneath them are the URL boxes for social media sites. And if you have these filled in, those icons that match Facebook, Twitter, Flickr, Pinterest, YouTube, and LinkedIn will appear on your web page. Once again, don't forget to hit save. And you get a brief preview. Now, this is not what it will look like on the front page. I'll show you that right now. So now I want to navigate to the gim.net test school. I can search for it by name right here, or I can come to the drop-down list, and this is what it looks like. I've got my Facebook, Twitter, I've got my pictures, I've got a link to the school website, and when I hit email me now, it takes me right to my email program, which will allow me to email that admissions person or communications person. You can make your school page look much better than I've made this page. I'm convinced of it. But this is to give you an idea of what's possible. There's one more element to keeping your school information up to date for admissions. And the way to do that is to go to VAIS schools. And when you go down this drop down to manage your school information, it will take you back to that managing page. The last tab is open houses. So when your school open houses are set up, you'll want to add them into this HTML box. Please make sure you fill in all of the areas that have the red asterisk, because otherwise it won't be accepted by the website. Put in your the title of the event, start and date, any information in the HTML box, a link to your own website, and then you'll want to make sure that your admissions person's name shows up here, and then make sure you put public search enabled. I won't do that now because I don't want people looking for an open house to gimschool.net. Hit the save button. And of course it won't save because I haven't filled in those red asterisks. So I'll just go back. Once you have filled all that information in, your school's webpage should be nice looking and robust on our website. Parents, potential parents, current parents will be able to see all the information you've entered about your school through our website. So I hope this has been somewhat helpful in getting you started and getting the school's profile on the website. I'm sure there are questions that will crop up. So don't hesitate to give me a call, Peggy Bloomfield at VAIS. The telephone number is 804-282-3592, extension 307. And I look forward to hearing from you. Good luck and thanks.